Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful curly half up half down hairstyle. To start, we're just curling 1 to 2 inch sections of hair, and I'm doing this by wrapping it around my tongue. Make sure you alternate the directions of your curls so they don't all join together. Now we're going to clip away the front sections of hair, so just go from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip this away for later, and do this on both sides. I wanted to add a little bit of lift at the crown, so I'm taking very small slices of hair, holding them vertical so there's lots of tension, and then using my comb just to back comb 1 inch or 2, nothing too crazy, and then just continue over the entire crown of the head in small sections. Once you've finished back combing, bring those sections back down one at a time and just use the end of your comb just to neaten them up a little bit. Gather all the back combed hair into your hand and then just use the very tips of your comb just to smooth the very top layer of hair, and gather this all at the back of the head. Then all we're going to do is twist it 1 or 2 times and hold it against the head, and then we're going to slip a bobby pin up through that twist just to secure it, and you won't be able to see the bobby pin. Use your fingers just to fan out that back combed area. Now, just to give this hairstyle a bit more of a relaxed look, I'm pinching and pulling at that crown area and then just spraying the hair into place with a bit of flexible hairspray, and do this over the entire back combed area. Next, let down one of the side sections, twist it towards the head and pin it just under that back combed area with a bobby pin or 2. Then repeat this on the right hand side, so twist it towards the head and pin with a bobby pin. Pinch and pull at that twist with your fingers just so it makes it nice and voluminous. Now we're going to take the ends from that last twist, but also we're going to grab a little section of hair just to the left of it, and we're going to twist this towards the head, but this time we're going over to the right hand side and secure that on the right hand side with a bobby pin. And again, fluff up that twist by pinching and pulling at the edges. And we're just going to continue working this method, so we're going to take the ends from that twist we've just done, but also add a very small section from just next to it. Twist it towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side and pin into place. And you guessed it, pinch and pull at that twist to make it nice and voluminous. And just carry on working from left to right, taking the tail ends until you're happy with the size of the twisted area at the back. I find it helps if you lift up the previous twist and pin the section underneath, that way it hides all the bobby pins. Finish off by adding a little bit of hairspray and just pinching and pulling any bits that look flat. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.